Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, a beginner's guide to earning passive income online. What is affiliate marketing? It's a simple concept where you promote other people's products and earn a commission when someone buys through your unique affiliate link. Why should you consider affiliate marketing? It allows you to start your online business without creating your own products or dealing with customer support. Finding your niche is crucial in affiliate marketing. Focus on a specific interest or industry where you can provide valuable content and genuinely connect with your audience. Building trust is key. Create engaging content that educates, entertains, and solves your audience's problems. This will establish you as an authority they can rely on. Choose reputable affiliate programs that align with your niche. Look for generous commission rates, quality products, and strong support for their affiliates. Promotion, promotion, promotion. Utilize various channels, social media, blogs, email marketing, to reach a wider audience with your engaging content and affiliate links. Track your progress using analytics tools provided by affiliate networks. Focus on what works and iterate your strategy to optimize your earnings. Remember, patience is key. Success won't happen overnight. But with consistency, effort, and continuous learning, you can build a thriving affiliate marketing business. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the basics of affiliate marketing. So start exploring, embracing the journey, and watch your passive income grow.